Professor Riley, this is Cam Kessler doing my signal flow project for audio electronics. Well, let's get started. We're going to start by creating a new song over here, the HC24. So, creating a song, I already have that pressed, yes. 48K, that's what you want, that's fine. Oh, no, 48K, new song. 6 tracks, whatever, we only need one. We're going to make the song name Wong. No. Let's just do Wong. No, we want a letter. Long Lane. Sounds very Asian. And our input's analog, clock source internal, 48K. That all sounds good. So we're going to press play over here, the stereo. Make sure our mics are close. That's good enough for me. Make sure we have the right track. We'll start that over. Alright. So we got sound out of the speakers, and now what we want to do is, these were down. Turn up our levels, make sure these are pressed out. Somebody had these in. Somebody had that solo, this muted. I'm going to take those out. That's not even supposed to be EQ. Turn these out. IP line to rev, or preamps up. On these tracks, make sure we have signal. Oh, we're going to patch in from our XLR for our microphones. We're going to patch that out. And then top pre-in 1 and 2. Yep. Yeah, so now we have signal, so we're going to adjust these to our liking. Faders up. These faders are adjusted. There we go, monitor levels up. Alright, I like those recording levels. I mean, they're back good, they're a little up there, but I'm going to turn this down actually a little bit. I like those recording levels, so now we're going to record a minute of this song. So, I'd like to give filming credit to Elliot Strominger here. He's doing a great job, by the way. Say hi, Elliot. Alright, he said hi. You don't hear him, but he said it. We have 30 more seconds of recording. Once that comes around, I'll just tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna press pause over there and disarm the tracks and make sure we get signal into our top so we can put it in the mix mode. Anyway, we got about 20 more seconds. The phone's almost dead too. It sucks. About 22. Alright, cool. That new riff. And we're gonna pause this over here. We don't need that anymore. It's all gonna be done here. Alright, so we have that. We all have outlet recording. We'll locate 0 on here. About a minute and 2 seconds. Disarm my tracks. And we're gonna turn levels down a little bit. IP rev and lines on channels 1 and 2. Levels are set. We're gonna LR. Make sure our mixer is set. And let's play. Well, we have a lot of that's a little peculiar. Nothing else is pressed in, right? Oh well. Turn those down. Alright, that's good. And let's get, we still got our signal and everything. I'm gonna locate 0 and play this again. Now, what we're gonna do is, since we have it all in mix mode and everything, I'm gonna show you how to solo one of the tracks. We're gonna solo our first track. here, we just have the first track playing. We're going to unsolo that, show you what sounds to solo the other track. Once again, soloed, together, soloed, together. Alright, we're going to mute the first track using this button right here. The red light comes on when you mute it, so that's how you know. So now we're only hearing their second track. Same thing the other way. Alright, now, say I want to turn up the highs on my first track. Easy, we're just going to solo it out. Make sure we can hear it all right and everything. And we're going to turn up, EQ in, my bad. Then highs up, highs down, way down. Oh, that was the end of it. Highs way down. Now we're totally cutting them out. Up, reducted. Are we going to leave that back? Now our lows. Reduced. Alright, we're going to leave those back. So, we did the highs and lows on our first track. Oh, and we'll have to do those to the other track as well. So, we're going to solo this, solo our second track, which is our drums. EQ off of that, EQ in on here. We're going to increase the highs. Which is done up here, this knob. Reduce. Totally cutting out our highs on the second track. If you couldn't hear that, there it is again. Whoops. There are lows. Those are turned up. Now it's cut out. Alright, we're going to stop EQing. And we're going to start using our compressor now. So I'm going to grab some more patch cables down here. And we're going to send this to the DBX and then back, so we know it all goes to the HC24. So we're going to out this to the top, and where's our DBX? Our DBX is, I believe, somewhere down here. Yeah, here we are, DBX in. And then just send that back out. Signal? I believe we do. We're going to check again, just to be sure. There we go. Here's talking. Anyway, current ratio about 4:1 seems about right. We're going to turn these on our gate, release. We'll mess with the other stuff. You can turn ratio attack, release. I mean, it's all what you want to do to your one track. We have our second track sold. I'd rather mess around with this track. Probably easier. It'd be easier to hear compression and everything. So, we'll listen for the difference. Let me set these real fast so it's a little closer. Obviously, you can hear all the effects done here on the DBX. It's quite a piece of machinery. You can change the release time and all that. I mean, obviously, you can hear it here. Slower. Anyway, that was our gate. Let me just restart this real fast. That was all gated and everything. And you want, I believe you want a compressed one track and a noise gate to the other track. So now we're gonna, since we messed with the first track and messing with the compressor, we're gonna add a noise gate to it. So I just want to change it from what it was. We're gonna set it back to normal and turn up on this one. Turn down actually. No, up. Yep, up. I'll turn up this one. So we got our gate X over here. I want to see what this does. There we go. I have it on both sides. I can do it over here as well. I'll put the threshold a little back. Threshold is down a little more. limiter on it too if I want to. And adjust that from where I see fit. Yeah, I can adjust that all from there. Now, I believe the last thing to do would be to turn on our power on our lexicon so we can do delay. And we'll restart the track, obviously. Alright, from there, I'm going to, I can let it run a and everything. We're going to turn up these knobs right here, just somebody look them up. 3 and 4 on our 2 tracks. And put them about 2 o'clock. And I'm going to turn up 3 and 4 over here. Put them at 2 o'clock, roughly, I don't know. And turn up our FX knobs. Now from the lexicon over here, we page over and we want tape delay, so we're going to push that in. It's on that page. And we're going to edit the effect on the delay, so we can do the tempo. Turn that up considerably, use the delay time. Actually, I'm going to use the other track so we can hear the difference better. You can hear the difference. I mean, I very well can. I'll adjust it one more time if you want to. Oops. Kind of deeper feedback, whatever you want to adjust there. There's 3 knobs here. We can adjust your delay, and we've added that to our first track. Now, I believe that's it. So we're going to delete this track from our HD24. The minute 2 song, we're going to say delete song. Delete Wong Lame, I should say. Yes, yes, for the next student to use it. That concludes my project. So, going to press pause. Have a nice night.